Determine the backset by measuring the distance between the center of the cross-bore hole to the edge of your door. The deadbolt, J, has a default setting of 2 3/4 inches, 70 mm. Extend the bolt by inserting a Phillips head screwdriver into the cam slot. Turn 90 degrees towards the face plate. If needed, adjust the backset to 2 3/8 inches, 60 mm, by pressing the tab on the side of the deadbolt, rotating the bolt in the faceplate clockwise, and pushing in. Rotate the bolt in the faceplate back to the original angle. Insert the deadbolt into the edge bore hole. Make sure that the deadbolt is right side up. Fasten it to the door with 2 screws, K. If using adhesive strips to secure the upper portion of the exterior assembly, B, peel the covers off the strips. If the upper portion of the lock is secured using fasteners, install the slotted barrel extension, O, to the exterior assembly using a flathead screwdriver. Note, do not insert any other fasteners besides the slotted barrel extension, as doing so will strip the threads and damage the product. Before placing the exterior assembly on the door, make sure the torque blade is in the vertical position. Make sure the deadbolt is extended. Place the exterior assembly on the door while inserting the torque blade into the vertical slot of the deadbolt and guide the cable through the cross-bore hole under the deadbolt. If using adhesive strips to secure the mounting plate, D, peel the covers off the strips. Place the mounting plate on the interior side of the door. Guide the cable through the opening near the bottom. The mounting plate should be placed such that the torque blade is in the center of the circular opening. Visually check the alignment of the mounting plate through the screw holes on either side of the circular opening. Route the cable through the slit connected to the circular opening. Without using any tools, insert 2 screws, G, into the holes on either side of the torque blade. Carefully turn the screws by hand clockwise to catch the threads correctly. Turn the screws counterclockwise and make sure they are not cross-threaded and turn smoothly. Repeat if necessary using caution. Once the screws have been inserted correctly, make 5 turns clockwise by hand. Tighten the 2 screws, G, until the exterior assembly and mounting plate are secured to the door. If using fasteners to secure the upper part of the lock, select the appropriate optional screw, E1, or E2. Finish securing the mounting plate to the door using the optional screw, E1, or E2. Plug the cable into the interior assembly, F, as shown. Ensure that the red side of the plug matches up with the red side of the socket. Make sure the connector is securely fixed to the socket. Tuck the cable under the hook as shown. Before placing the interior assembly up against the mounting plate on the inside of the door, ensure the thumb turn, P, is vertical. Place the interior assembly up against the mounting plate. Make sure the torque blade is inserted into the thumb turn. Secure the interior assembly to the mounting plate using 2 screws, I. Insert 3 included AA batteries. Do not insert the last battery yet. It may be easiest to insert the first, third, and fourth batteries from the left first, and leave the second battery for the next step. Press and hold the program button while installing the last battery until you hear a beep from the Lockly. The keypad screen will start and initiate self-check to determine if your Lockly is a left open or right open door. Install the battery cover, H, to the interior assembly and fasten the battery cover screw. Do not lose the initial code card. Treat it like your driver's license, as it is the only thing you will have to identify ownership of your lock. Please store this card in a safe place, as this is required to set up your Lockly Secure. The initial code will be required if you lose your smartphone or access code. Without this code, you will not be able to reset your lock. If you are missing the card, please contact us immediately. Store this information. Do not return the lock to the stores. Please call the customer care number on this card. Complete the installation by securing the dust box, N, and the strike plate, L, to the door jamb using 2 screws, K. The following steps will show how to connect your new lock to the Google Home app on your mobile device. To download the Google Home app, go to the Google Play Store. Open the Google Home app and make sure you have added Google Assistant. Then, press the Add button. Press Set Up Device. Press Have Something Already Set Up. Press the Search button at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Type in Lockly in the search bar and select the name of your Lockly model. Enter your Lockly account number and password. When you have entered both your Lockly account number and password, press the Sign In button. If you want to enable voice control of Google Assistant, please confirm Yes and set the PIN code. Please assign Lockly to the same room of your Google Assistant from the Choose Device page. Choose the Lockly lock icon. Select Home to control your new Lockly lock device. Select which room the Lockly lock device will be located in. Congratulations, you have. The following steps will show how to connect your new lock to the Amazon Alexa app on your mobile device. To download the Alexa app, go to the Mac App Store, the Google Play Store, or the Windows Store. Open the Alexa app and make sure the Alexa Echo has been added. Then press the Your Smart Home Skills button. Press the Enable Smart Home Skills button. Press the Search button in the upper right corner of the screen. Enter the word Lockly to search for the keyword or skill name. Select the skill with the name of your Lockly model. Press the Enable to Use button. Enter your Lockly account number and password. Then press the Sign In button. Press Authorize to give Amazon Alexa access to your Lockly secure lock. Press the X in the upper right corner of the screen to close this interface. When the Discover Devices interface pops up, press the Discover Devices button. Allow time for Alexa to discover your new device, do not leave the app. After Alexa has discovered the Lockly lock, press the Set Up Device button. After the link is successful, the lock's icon will appear next to the Echo and Alexa icon on the Alexa app's device interface. Press the lock's icon. To open Unlock by App, you will need to enter the Alexa app login password. Select OK to enable Unlock by App. Unlock by App is now enabled. Enable Unlock by Voice and set the voice code. To create your voice code, enter a 4-digit code. Unlock by Voice is now enabled. Press the Lockly button. For settings, press the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Congratulations,